matter what kind of day.
Do you know what happened to Miss Joy yesterday? I lost my bird, my little mango, and I'm devastated. I took him to the vet, put him in the incubator, and he looked up, and he was asleep. I tried. It's so sad. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God. Go to sleep and think of my beautiful bird, Mango. Go to sleep. He's up there watching you guys. Helping Miss Joy have to join us. Okay, let's go. Say we love you, Mango. Say we love you, Mango. Thank you for being a beautiful friend to Miss Joy. I love my animals. Go to sleep,